Introducing the Powools Pet Hair Handheld Vacuum, a dynamic cleaning solution meticulously crafted to cater to the unique needs of pet owners. Engineered with a powerful motorized brush head and versatile attachments, this cordless vacuum excels in removing pet hair, dander, and messes from carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. Its dual-filtration system ensures sustained suction, while the large-capacity battery provides ample runtime for extended cleaning sessions. With effortless operation and a compact design, this vacuum offers unparalleled convenience, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a clean and hygienic environment in pet-friendly homes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful motorized brush head. This vacuum offers a robust cleaning solution, particularly tailored for households with pets. The standout feature is its powerful motorized brush head, delivering formidable suction for comprehensive cleaning. Designed with a widened nozzle, it efficiently tackles pet hair and dander and messes on various surfaces such as carpets and car upholstery. Additionally, the inclusion of a silicone roller minimizes tangling, easing the cleaning process. Number 2. Multipurpose Attachments. Equipped with 2 versatile attachments, this vacuum caters to diverse cleaning needs. The crevice nozzle enables reaching tight spots like corners and crevices, ensuring no area is left untouched. Meanwhile, the dust brush proves effective in cleaning carpets and upholstery surfaces with precision. Swapping attachments is seamless, guided by the user manual for effortless customization based on cleaning requirements. Number 3. Dual-Filtration System. This vacuum boasts a dual-filtration system, pivotal in maintaining sustained suction over prolonged usage. The innovative ProFilter efficiently sieves out large debris, while the washable HEPA filter captures finer dust particles, enhancing air quality. This filtration arrangement not only prolongs motor lifespan, but also minimizes the likelihood of suction loss, ensuring consistent performance. Number 4. Large capacity battery. Powered by an 8,000 mAh battery, this vacuum delivers extended runtime, operating continuously for 18 to 20 minutes on a full charge. Recharging is expedited, requiring only 2.5 to 3 hours for a complete replenishment. The appliance features intuitive battery level indicators, enabling users to monitor power status conveniently and ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 5. Effortless Operation. Designed for user convenience, this vacuum epitomizes ease of operation with its cordless design and compact form factor. Weighing a mere 2.6 pounds, it's effortlessly portable, facilitating a seamless transition between home and car cleaning tasks. The inclusion of a built-in LED light further enhances usability, illuminating dark areas for thorough cleaning with enhanced visibility. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 17.4 inches length by 4.6 inches width by 6.6 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Powools Pet Hair Handheld Vacuum emerges as a quintessential companion for pet owners seeking efficient and hassle-free cleaning solutions. With its powerful suction, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design, it effortlessly tackles pet-related messes on various surfaces, from carpets to car upholstery. The inclusion of a dual filtration system ensures consistent performance, while the large capacity battery offers extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Seamlessly blending functionality with convenience, this vacuum stands as a testament to innovation in the realm of household cleaning, promising to simplify and elevate the cleaning experience for pet owners everywhere. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.